discuss condition for symmetry and condition for reciprocity of two-port network. First you see condition for symmetry. A two-port network is said to be symmetrical. A two-port network is said to be symmetrical if the ports can be interchanged without changing port voltage or currents. A two-port network having input port, output port, if without changing port voltage or currents, then the ports can be interchanged. That is the condition for symmetrical. In terms of z parameter, you see z11 is equal to z22. That is the condition for symmetry. In terms of y parameter, y11 is equal to y22. In terms of h parameter or hybrid parameter, delta h is equal to 1, or determinant of h11, h12, h21, h22 is equal to 1. How you calculate the determinant? H11 into h22 minus h21 into h12 is equal to 1. Similarly, in terms of ABCD parameter, here the constants are present A, B, C, D, and out of these parameters, symmetrical condition is A is equal to D. These are the symmetrical conditions. Similarly, condition for reciprocity. A network is said to be reciprocal if the ratio of the response to the excitation remains same to an interchange of the position of the excitation and response in the network. If you interchange the position of excitation and response in the network, the ratio of the response of the excitation remains same. That is the condition for reciprocity. If you calculate the reciprocity condition in terms of z parameter, z12 is equal to z21. Here the symmetrical condition is z11 is equal to z22, and reciprocity condition is equal to z12 is equal to z21. And similarly, you see in terms of y parameter, y12 is equal to y21, and in terms of h parameter, hybrid parameter, here some difference, h12 is equal to minus h21. And in terms of ABCD parameter or transmission parameter, delta t is equal to 1 or AD minus BC is equal to 1. How you calculate AD minus BC is equal to 1? You see the determinant of ABCD. Okay, if you calculate the determinant of this ABCD parameter, then you can get 1. That is the condition for reciprocity of ABCD parameter. These are the symmetrical and reciprocity condition for these various parameters. Okay, now we solve one good example. You take this network. In this network or shown figure, you calculate t parameters. You see, for the network shown in figure, calculate t parameters. T means transmission parameter or ABCD parameter. Here one inductance value is given J2 ohm, one capacitor having capacitance minus J4 ohm, and a resistor having resistance 5 ohm. In this figure or in this network, you calculate the t parameter, transmission parameter. First you write the transmission parameter equation. We know the transmission parameter or ABCD parameter equation is V1 is equal to AV2 minus BI2, and I1 is equal to CV2 minus DI2. These are the equation 1 and 2, and that is the given figure. In this figure, here J2 ohm is present, minus J4 ohm and 5 ohm is present. That is input port voltage V1 and output port voltage V2. Okay, you see here, and the current I1 moves in this direction and current I2 moves in this direction. If current I1 comes from this point and I2 comes from this point, at this point what is the amount of current passes? I1 plus I2, and this is your loop 1 and this is your loop 2. You apply KVL in loop 1 and apply KVL in loop 2. We write the two equation in this format, in ABCD parameter equation format. Then we can easily compare with equation 1 and equation 2. We calculate the ABCD parameters. You see in this figure or in this network, first we apply KVL. By KVL in loop 1, what is KVL? Kirchhoff's voltage law. If you apply KVL in loop 1, you see the equation here, minus J2 into I1 minus 5 into I1 plus I2 in this direction, then here plus V1 is equal to 0, and you take V1 in left hand side and other things to in right hand side, and you rearrange this one, you can get V1 is equal to 5 plus j2 into I1 plus 5 I2. That is your equation number 3. Similarly, if you apply or Kirchhoff's voltage law in loop 2, in this loop, then you can get your minus minus your this one, you see, minus, and this one is minus minus plus j4 into I2. You see here, this one is plus j4 into I2 minus 5 into I1 plus I2 plus V2 is equal to 0, and you take V2 in this side and you take right hand side, that is your minus j4, and this one is plus. If you rearrange this equation, you can get V2 is equal to 5 I1 plus 5 minus j4 into I2. That is your equation number 4. Okay, you see here, and putting I1 from equation 4 in equation 3 we get, means from equation 4 we calculate I1. What is the value of I1? V2 minus I2 into 5 minus j4 divided by 5. That is your from this equation. Now from equation 4 and I1 this one, okay, equation 4, and put in equation 3. Put in equation 3 at the place of I1. At the place of I1 you put your this I1 from equation 4. Then what is the equation 3 now? V1 is equal to 5 plus j2, and I1 value is V2 minus I2 into 5 minus j4 divided by 5 plus 5 I2. Now you rearrange or solve this equation, you can get V1 is equal to 5 plus j2 divided by 5 into V2 minus 5 plus j2 into 5 minus j4 divided by 5 minus 5 into I2. Equation 5. Now we are able to write V1 some value into V2 is minus some value into I2. That is your, you see here, V1 is equal to A V2 minus BI2, equation 1. Now we are able to write in this equation 1 format this equation 5. Okay, similarly you see, for making equation 2 we rearrange the equation 4, we can get easily I1 is equal to 1 by 5 V2 minus 5 minus j4 divided by 5 into I2. Okay, for this we getting in the format of equation 2, rearrange the equation 4. Now to obtain the T parameter or transmission parameter or ABCD parameter, comparing equation 1 and 5 we get, capital A is equal to, that is your parameter in ABCD parameter, A is equal to 5 plus j2 divided by 5, B is equal to 5 plus j2 into 5 minus j4 divided by 5 minus 5. If you solve this one, you can easily get 8 minus j10 divided by 5. Similarly, comparing equation 2 and equation 6, we get equation 2 and 6 we get C is equal to 1 by 5 and D is equal to 5 minus j4 divided by 5. You see here the equation 1, A V2 minus Bi2 V1 is equal to, and your equation 5 V1 is equal to this into V2 minus something I2. If you compare with what is the value of A, you can get 5 plus j2 by 5. What is the value of B, you can get this one. Okay, similarly compare equation 2, I1 is equal to CV2 minus DI2, I1 is equal to CV2 minus DI2, and equation 6 is equal to I1 is equal to this V2 minus this I2. Okay, then you can get C is equal to 1 by 5, D is equal to 5 minus j4 divided by 5. In this way, we can easily calculate the ABCD parameter or the transmission parameter or T parameter. Okay, we will continue in the next class. Thank you.